It starts with a simple flick of a thumb, a quick check of a feed that turns into an hour of scrolling. When we open these apps, we feel like we are in control, as if we are the ones discovering new content through our own curiosity. Behind the screen, a sophisticated recommendation algorithm is already at work, sorting through millions of posts to decide exactly what you see next. Every user enters an environment that has been pre-sorted. Your feed is not a random list of posts, but a highly specific, customized space. This sorting process is guided by a specific directive. The system is designed to maximize user engagement. The platform tracks specific indicators of your attention: how many minutes you watch, which posts you click, and every like, share, or comment you leave. High engagement numbers translate directly into user retention and ad revenue. The algorithm's primary role is to keep you on the platform as long as possible. To achieve that level of engagement, the algorithm must understand its audience through continuous data collection. The platform records your watch history, search queries, and the exact amount of time you spend looking at a single image or video. These individual data points are compiled to build a behavioral profile. This digital map is unique to you, representing your habits and interests in granular detail. Every single micro-interaction serves as a signal, used by the system to predict how you will respond to content in the future. During the machine learning phase, the system uses your profile to calculate the mathematical probability that you will interact with a specific piece of content. Content ranking begins here. The algorithm scores every potential post based on its probability of grabbing your attention. It filters through 4 criteria: relevance, engagement likelihood, recency, and popularity. High-scoring content is pushed to your feed, while low-scoring content is suppressed. With every refresh, the algorithm calculates the odds of keeping you watching for 1 more minute. When content receives high levels of engagement shortly after it is posted, the algorithm recognizes it as a high-value asset. This early momentum triggers the system to promote the content further. If the engagement continues, the reach rapidly expands and the content goes viral. This creates a feedback loop. You watch a specific topic, the algorithm shows you more of it, and your continued attention reinforces that preference in your profile. This cycle can narrow the range of what you see, repeatedly serving you more of the same ideas you have already engaged with. When we look at the long-term impact of these loops, we can see how they alter our experience of the digital world. This process creates a filter bubble. It's a state where users are effectively isolated from new perspectives or challenging information. Once you are inside this bubble, you are primarily exposed to opinions that mirror your own and content that feels familiar. The mechanism designed to keep you scrolling has the side effect of limiting the diversity of the viewpoints you encounter. To understand why this happens, we have to look at the business incentives of the platforms themselves. These systems are optimized for engagement and revenue. Metrics like accuracy, content diversity, or the well-being of the user are often secondary to the goal of keeping people on the app. Recommendation algorithms influence our perceptions by controlling the information we encounter. They are active participants in determining what we see and believe. The system is built for your attention, not necessarily your awareness. In an environment this tightly controlled, the content you see is rarely the result of a truly independent choice.